This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. Welcome home to this charming villa in the highly sought-after Heritage Hills, a premier 55-plus community nestled among the scenic rolling hills of Clermont. This beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 1-car garage offers comfort, style, and low-maintenance living. Perfectly positioned at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, this villa enjoys a premium location with minimal traffic. Step inside to discover a bright, open floor plan featuring fresh interior paint, updated lighting, and easy to maintain with laminate flooring. The kitchen is both functional and elegant with granite countertops, stainless appliances, ample cabinetry, a pantry, and plenty of workspace. A separate dining area provides a welcoming setting for meals and gatherings. The spacious living area flows effortlessly through sliding glass doors to a screened-in patio, creating a relaxing indoor-outdoor living experience. With no rear neighbors, you'll enjoy added privacy and peaceful views, an ideal spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The generously sized primary suite features a walk-in closet, dual sinks, and a step-in shower. A well-appointed second bedroom and full bath provide flexibility for guests, hobbies, or a home office. The home also includes a dedicated laundry room with a convenient storage closet. Beyond the home itself, residents of Heritage Hills enjoy a vibrant lifestyle in a gated and guarded community known for its resort-style amenities, social events, and beautifully landscaped surroundings. The community features 2 convenient entrances, making daily travel in and out of Heritage Hills a breeze. Drive your golf cart to the clubhouse where you can enjoy a heated pool and relaxing spa, along with a wide variety of recreational options including pickleball, tennis, basketball, bocce ball, and shuffleboard courts. The clubhouse serves as the social hub, featuring organized activities, numerous resident clubs, and gathering spaces that make it easy to stay active and connected with neighbors. Additionally, you'll find a fully equipped fitness center, arts and crafts studio, billiards room, card room, and a spacious ballroom that regularly hosts community events, celebrations, and social gatherings. The HOA fee covers high-speed internet, cable, exterior home painting, lawn maintenance, roof replacement, and irrigation water, making for truly low-maintenance living. Residents also enjoy access to a scenic 5-mile walking trail that winds throughout the community, perfect for morning strolls, biking, or simply enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. Life at Heritage Hills offers the perfect balance of active living, social engagement, and carefree homeownership. Just minutes away, the vibrant downtown district of Clermont offers a charming lakefront setting filled with local dining, boutique shopping, and year-round community events. You can enjoy